Okay, so what's up, guys? So I decided to do a complexion. I was like, I haven't did a complexion in a minute. The full glams and all the eye looks are fun and they're gonna keep coming. But I got about 2 to 3 complexion videos that I want to do. And this one is great, even though we're in August, summer is still here, and right before it gets out, I want to give you guys how I get my luminous skin. So the first things first, wash your hands. Don't touch your face with them nasty hands, okay? And we're going to be using our skincare first. The key to a flawless complexion and very much a luminous skin is to do proper skincare. So I'm going to be taking the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. This is her smaller size. This is the 1 fluid ounce. You can travel with this. I'm going to be taking this cream. Now this cream is very thick. You need very little, but I'm pretty generous with my skincare. And it has hyaluronic acid in it, so it also locks in the moisture and plumps the skin. Also, it has aloe vera, so it's going to soothe the skin. For irritable skin, and also if you have rosacea. See, I take a lot, y'all. You do not need this much. I'm just going to apply it on my face. I did just do some eye makeup. I did bronzer, and then I topped it off with a Charlotte palette and just added some lashes. This feels so good on your skin. It feels so good. And then we're going to take the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Eye Rescue. We're going to throw this right under our eyes. This one is really good. And it also acts as a primer for concealer. And I forgot what it has in it. It has something in it where it protects the under eye, but also it's good for hydrating underneath your eyes. And this is what I always say, because underneath your eye is a very sensitive thin layer of skin, and you want to moisturize it and be gentle. And then we put all that powder and concealer. So yeah, it's kind of key. Like, look at that. Look at what those 2 creams just gave my skin. Do y'all see this? So that's all I do for my makeup skincare. 2 steps for the skincare. Boom. You guys can see I look very hydrated, luminous. My skin feels amazing on top of that. And let's get ready to get started into this makeup. So for our foundation, we're going to be using the Mercier Flawless Lumière Radiance Foundation. And I am in the color 5C1 Nutmeg. And the C stands for cool. I love this foundation. I feel like it just gives a really nice hydrating effect to the skin. And this is going to be just 1 layer that we're going to be applying. To take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I gotta like that. Always have my own bag, never have that just applied right on our skin. And as you can see, it looks very luminous. So the skincare and this just helps really good with that. So I'm gonna do something else, okay? I'm going to be taking just this Hourglass concealer in the color Velvet, and we're just going to be concealing, but we're going to use very little product. It's okay, you can use as many products as you want, just be very light-handed with them. Use very little. So I'm just going to go there, and then bridge of my nose, there, just my normal concealer spots, and that's it. And also I have some little problem areas here around my mouth. And that's it. And I only dipped once in this. This concealer is from Hourglass. Very full coverage. And it's also very creamy and hydrating. So that's what we're using. So for a luminous look, I recommend using all of your luminous, hydrating, dewy products. So now I have that, right? I'm going to take our eye rescue again. And I'm going to do this. I'm going to take some more of it. Take it, warm it in my hand like so. I'm using my 2 fingers like this. I'm gonna put it on, yep, that wet foundation up under my eye again, just like this. And don't worry, the product is going to move, of course, as you can see, but that's because it's it's on like a wet product. I'm going to take my concealer. This is the same Hourglass concealer. This is our Hourglass concealer, but this is our highlighting shade, and we're going to just pop that right under, like so, in all the places that we are highlighting in. And that's all you need. So also with these Hourglass concealers, you just need very little. Little goes a long way, and they're expensive. But Hourglass is also like cruelty free and vegan and things like that, and it's like really good. So I love it. And then now I'm gonna just take my damp sponge and we're gonna just blend this out. And so it's kind of mixing in with that eye cream. And check out the glow. So bomb. Okay. So as you can see, it has like a nice, looks nice and like natural like base, and it's still really creamy, and we still have our luminous going on. And when you apply these products, it just kind of takes it away. So we're actually going to be taking the Huda Beauty Tantour Cream Bronzer, and I'm going to be mixing the Kevyn Aucoin. This is the Glass Glow Face Illuminator with this, because I really want all of it to be just really luminous. And you know, like contouring products and bronzing products, you know, they're like, you know, matte or like powdery finish. So I want to just take some of this bronzer here, and I'm in the color medium, and I'm going to take it on my brush. I'm going to swirl it like so. I'm going to lay it on the back of my hand. I'm going to warm up the product, and then I'm going to take this Kevyn Aucoin here just a little bit like that, and I'm going to mix the two. And it's making it like really luminous. It's making it like really luminous. And so we're going to mix those two together. You don't have to just wear luminous, you know, makeup for the summer. You know, I actually get really dry in the winter. And we're going to just pop that on. And as you can see, ooh, so pretty. And this is the Charlotte brush, and I'm going to press that into the skin like so. And look, it just melted. Look at that. Do y'all see that? I don't have on any highlighter. Once again, I'm just gonna carve that in here like that. And we're gonna press it into the skin like so. I'm gonna do with other areas that we do. Just a little bit on the forehead here, just a little bit. And going that upwards here. I'm just going to lightly bronze, lightly. So I'm gonna take my Charlotte bronzer. This is the airbrush bronzer in the shade 4 Deep. It's a really huge bronzer, as you guys can see. And I'm gonna just take this Charlotte brush here. This is her powder blush brush, her bronzer brush actually. And I'm going to take it inside of the pan like that. But I'm gonna just saturate it on my hand, like on my wrist, I guess. And I'm just going to slightly bronze, slightly. Just on the sides there, just to give it a because I still want to be luminous, so we don't want to do too much powder. And so now we're going to take the Mercier #2 powder, because you do want to set underneath your eye, because we have that eye cream, you know, and we have that concealer, and they're both really creamy and hydrating. Okay, I was recording. Okay. Oh, Jesus. So this is the Secret Brightening Eye Powder in #2 by Charlotte. This one is a much more thinner, finer powder. You guys seen me use this before on my channel, and it's in the #2, and it comes in #1 as well, which is #1 is translucent. But this one is going to also be very good because it's meant for highlighting and brightening, so it's a very thin powder. And we're going to take it right in the top like so, and I'm using like this type of brush, which is a Mercier brush, and we are just going to set our under eye. And we're only setting it not to like really brighten, even though this does have brightening effect, but to really set that concealer in place, because we have a lot of cream product going on here. So, and just set the other places too. We're still dewy. We're still luminous. We're still luminous. And so now I'm just going to take just like a brush and just make sure I put all that out. All that project lightly. Ooh. And so now we're going to take the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. I haven't used this in so long. This is a darker shade. It's #7. And we're going to be putting this on the highest points of our face. This can be worn under the makeup, on top of the makeup, by itself, or mixed inside of the makeup. It is supposed to make like a filter-like effect, but I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. For like luminous skin. So you want to head at the highest points of the face. Also the cupidal area here. Now we're going to actually take my Charlotte brush again, using the same brush here, and we're going to press this in. Do you guys see that? So you can mix this product with any product you want. It's very universal. Do you guys see this? It's so bomb. And I love how it just looks really natural. So now we're going to just go in. You don't have to do this. This step is optional. Taking the Bobbi Brown Bronze Glow Highlighter. I've had this for years, and it's broken, and it's still going strong. I'm just going to add a little bit of that on top of here. How beautiful. Okay, so also too, what helps is that you really want to take either a liquid blush would be perfect, but I don't have one right now. So I'm just going to use this Nars blush used in my previous video. It has, you know, luminous properties in it. I'm going to just pop that on, just to add some color to the face. Like so. Just a flush of color that I'm like obsessed with this blush. Y'all know my new love is to put it on my nose. Of course, guys, of course. We have to use a setting spray. Like, it's not luminous without a setting spray. Let's just do a random lip. Oh, you can set your face if you want. I recommend using a luminous like powder, something that's not like super mattifying, basically. This is Charlotte Tilbury PillowTalk in Intense 3. This is I haven't used it. This is a Chanel Chic Rosewood. I don't know the exact name. Okay, so this is the Chanel Le Rouge Duo. I'm just gonna be taking this today and just using it. So I've never used it before. So it's basically like gloss. Oh, it kind of goes perfect. And I'm going to take the other end, which is like a Chanel clear gloss end here. It's like double-sided. And just pop it on. Okay, so so I am in love with this. I think it came out beautiful. It feels comfortable on the skin. It's really dewy, and it's very lightweight. Even though I use the foundation, it's very lightweight. If you want something even lighter, I recommend using a tinted moisturizer or a skin tint nowadays, so you can use that. But I absolutely love this, and I will list all products and shades and everything in the description box. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys follow my social medias because I post on there before I post on here sometimes, like it just depends. And yeah, make sure you guys follow me on there and share this video. If you really love this video, you want to share this video with someone, make sure that you are sharing it. You copy the link down below and you share it. So thank you guys, and feel free to leave a comment, like, and you know the whole stuff YouTubers say. You be like, come on, get on with the video, get on. So yeah, thank you guys for watching again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I gave you all that you asked of me. You like the view from behind.